Hi, in this video I'll show you how to install and set up WordPress Jetpack plugin. First of all, go to your WordPress admin dashboard and hover over on plugins and just click on add new plugin. Now in the search plugins box, type here Jetpack and search for it. And here you will find the official Jetpack WordPress Security, Backup, Speed and Growth plugin. All you have to need install and activate this Jetpack plugin from here. Once the plugin activated, here click on Finish Setting Up Jetpack. And now click on Connect your user account. And now create an account to set up Jetpack. Enter here your email address and choose a username for your Jetpack account. And here create a strong password for your account. Now just click on create your account. And you can save your Jetpack login credential. Now you have to again go to your WordPress admin dashboard and then just click on Jetpack in this left-hand menu. Now go to dashboard and here we can see Jetpack stats showing here. So under Jetpack stats, here you will find your daily views and your weekly views, your monthly views. So that's how you can install and activate Jetpack on WordPress. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.